Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to create and share an SSH key on VirtFusion. First, log into the VirtFusion dashboard we sent you when we delivered your VPS. In the Overview section, click on the Rebuild section. Next, fill in the name, server and hostname information. Then select the OS you want to install. Scroll down, and you will see the SSH keys section. Click on Add Key. Next, click on Random Name to generate a random name for the SSH key. Then, click on Generate Key Pair to create a private key and a public key. Next, save the private key in a safe place. You should save the private key file in unformatted mode. Continue to save the SSH key and select the SSH key you just created to install the OS. Wait until the installation process is complete. Then you can use Bitwise SSH client software to import the private key file. You have now successfully set up a passwordless login via key pair on your VPS. In this section, access tokens enable you to request access to other server groups, servers, or SSH keys within the system. If you know another user with an account, generate a token and send it to them. They can then use the token to assign you to a specific resource. To do this, go to your account. Click on Sharing, select Generate Token. After creating the token code, go to the account with the VPS you need to share and paste the token code. Next, you can share execution rights to the shared account. Go back to your account, and you will see the following result.